Yes. Today we are going to start the next section. And on the next section, it is the scary, scary episode of the Fractionator. Here we go. Are you ready? Boo! All right, at the top of your notes today, here's what I want you to write. This is the beginning of section 2-4. And what we are going to do is begin our multiplication review. Yes. And specifically, the multiplication of fractions. Now, you know that Halloween is coming. Yes, it is. And first, I must introduce myself. You see, I am the Fractionator. I destroy things. Actually, it's not all evil. I simply simplify. Here we go. Your learning target today is that I can multiply fractions. Simple learning target today. Here we go. This is an epic battle between the numerator and the denominator. Let's look at this first one. 3/7 times 4/9. Now, multiplying is way easier than adding and subtracting. We don't need a stinking common denominator. No, we don't. This really becomes one giant uber fraction. And then I come and I take my mighty sword and I fractionate, because a 3 in the numerator divides out a 3 in the denominator. This leaves me with 1 in the numerator, and this 9 becomes a 3. You see, I just divided by 3. Now on top, I have 1 times 4, and in the denominator, I have 21. That's my final answer because it's in simplest form. Does this jog your memory? Let's look at another one. 5/6 times 9/25. Here we go. It's a giant, giant fraction. I call it the uber fraction. And I love multiplying because I get to see if I can simplify. The numerator has a 5, and so does the denominator. Hiya! Hiya! Don't forget to write the 5 there, and make sure you write the 1 so you do not forget. Oh, here comes a 3. And another 3. Dividing that leaves a 2. Now I've got to keep track of what I have left here. In my numerator, I have 1 times 3. In the denominator, a 2 times 5 gives me 3/10. Hot diggity, it's already in simplest form. What if you have 3 fractions? No problem, my friends. Just put the whole thing in one uber fraction. 1/4 times 6/7 times 21/30. Let's get fractionating. A 6 has a factor of a 2, which I see down there in the 4. When I divide by 2, that leaves 3. Divide by 2 is 2. This 3 can take a 3 out of the 30. Now I'm left with 1, and this becomes 10. 21 and 7 share a factor of 7. I have a 3 left. What a mess. What is left here? 1 times 1 times 3 in the numerator. 2 times 1 times 10 in the denominator. I get 3/20. That's in simplest form. Now, in case you missed one, then you just keep going to get things in simplest form. Oh, look at this one. 9 and 4/18. Notice the 9 is written as an improper fraction. One giant uber numerator and one giant uber denominator. 9 can go into 18 twice. But don't forget, this 4 and this 2 share a factor of 2. I get to slash it again. This time, I have 1 times 2 in my numerator and 1 in my denominator. Final answer is 2. Well done, my friends. Let's do one last giant example. 2/3 times 9/22 times 11/5 times 10/3. Make one giant uber fraction. And then we get to have fun. We can chop, and destroy. Let's fractionate. 2 in the numerator, a 2 out of this part of the denominator. A 3 here can go into the 9 3 times. Let's keep going. 11. Yes. Takes out this 11. 5 can go into, oopsies. 5 can go into the 10. I got to get my pen back. Yes. 5 goes into 10 twice. And don't forget, I still have a 3 in the numerator and a 3 in the denominator. What has happened, my friends? 1 times 1 times 1 times 2. 1 times 1 times 1 times 1. Oh, that whole giant mess turned into the whole number 2. That's beautiful, my friends. Be sure you continue my mission, which is to simplify all of the fractions. Be a fractionator, and may the force be with you. Your assignment for tomorrow is to take a look at your Schoology page. Your assignment probably will be in the packet. So, good luck, my friends.